How to tell if a girl likes you. Do you want to know if a girl really likes you? Then you click on the right video. But before that, make sure to
like this video, hit that subscribe button, and activate the notification bell.
In today's video, I come to tell you some simple signs that a girl will show when she really likes you. So, tip 6. She will find a reason to be close to you or even touch you. Yup, if a girl is really into you, she may be touching your shoulders when talking to you or even fixing your collar or maybe ruffling your hair. This means she likes you, and if she don't like you, then you may be talking to her alright, but you don't see any eye contact or something like that. That means that she don't like, and she's really desperate to get out of there. Tip 5. She sends you her photo. If a girl sent you her photo even though you haven't asked of it, that means that she really likes you. And the reason why girls send you their photo even though you haven't asked of it is because they want you to know how they look now. So if your crush have sent you her photo even though you haven't asked of it, that means you're a lucky guy. And she is going to text you at night. She is really going to text you at night if she is really into you. It's not about the text she sends, it's about when she sends you that text. Tip 4. She gets nervous when she is around you. Yup, a girl who really likes you gets nervous when she's around you. Does your crush talk fast? Or maybe sweaty hands, or maybe she pour things over. This means she really likes you. Tip 3. She teases you a lot. When a girl teases you a lot, that means that she has a special feeling in his heart. So when a girl teases you a lot, that can show you that she really likes you. And today's question is that, does your crush tease you a lot? You can answer this at the comment section below. Tip 2. She will try to impress you, and she will try to impress you by wearing nice clothes and making match makeups. And when the girl you like starts asking you questions about your personal life or your favorite color, this means that she is really into you. And the reason why girls do this is because they want to know more about you. Tip 1. She initiates kiss. If you want to know if a girl likes you, it's all about taking a move. And initiating the kiss is like when you try to kiss the girl but not actually kiss her, make her kiss you back. You can do this simply by going to the girl you like, as talking to her or flirting with her. Just move forward to her and let her kiss you back. If she kisses you back, this means that she likes you. And if she do not kiss you back, this means that she don't like you and is desperate to get out of there. Make sure to comment whatever you learn at the comment section below, and I'll be waiting for your answers. And make sure to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.